My name is Hằng. I'm a nutritionist and I am the owner of an organic farm. I grew up in Quế Phong community in Quế Sơn district. In my community, there are all farmers. Here, we grow a lot of rice, so we make a lot of beautiful food from rice. Rice is a really healthy ingredient. Rice gives you energy, and the rice grain has many vitamins. After we harvest the rice, we make rice flour or rice milk by using the old stone mortar. With rice milk, we can make many dishes, including mì Quảng. The way I make mì Quảng is the traditional way in the countryside. The main ingredient is fried chicken, grown by the farmers. We use peanut oil made by ourselves, little chives from the garden, and fresh crushed turmeric. The turmeric gives the mì Quảng a yellow color, and it's really good for her. We also use fresh rice milk to make bánh xèo. Here, we cook bánh xèo with pork and shrimp, and I love to add in rice raw mushrooms. My recipes come from my grandma. She cooked healthy food for me, and I learned that from her. I want to share the recipes of the Quang Nam community. Local traditional food is cooked in a simple way with many healthy ingredients. I'm really inspired to serve, to show, and to cook new dishes.